Now I'm going to show you about the PRN file. This is a file that's used when we want to control the daily amounts of precipitation and temperature, and we do not want to draw those randomly from distributions. However, everything else about the CLI file will be drawn from distributions the exact same as before. So let's open an example PRN file. If it's your first time opening a PAR file or a PRN file, Windows is going to ask you to use an app. Just use Notepad. You can see that this is a very simply formatted file. There are only 6 columns corresponding to the month, the day, the year, and then the precipitation, maximum, and minimum temperature values. Each column is 5 characters wide in a fixed format, and the units are in 1/100ths of an inch for precipitation and in Fahrenheit for maximum and minimum temperature. Every day must be provided these values, and there can be no gaps, and there must be exactly the correct amount of days. You may not skip leap years, and there can be no duplicate days, or there will be an error raised by ClyGen when you try to use it.